Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and this time we have something different. I did a rebuild on my car engine not long ago, and I was installing these piston rings, and I didn't show how to install them properly. One of the ways that people do is you can actually just slide them on there. Be careful not to scratch the piston, or you can use one of these tools, which right here it came in this plastic plastic cover. And all it is just a little clamping looking things. You place your piston ring right there inside the opening over here, and then you press it and it will start opening the piston ring. One thing with this, you have to remember that don't open it too much, because you can still crack it, you can break it, you can change the diameter where piston ring is kind of stretched, and the way to install it is either this way or that way. You just go underneath right here, then there it is, it's in there. A really cheap and nice tool. You can buy expensive high-end ones, or you can buy cheaper ones, which this one is probably like $10-15. It works great, as you can see. Remember, be careful, because you will crack the piston ring, because they're hard, but they still crack. So yeah, be careful with that part. This is a Mitsubishi Eclipse 4G63 piston. So, or I might be wrong, it might be the 420A, I'm not positive, but yeah, I took one of them. Anyway, that was just a quick video to show you how to do it. Like I said, you can do it by hand, or you can use this tool. So if you're doing it by hand, you slide this one down like so, put it in the hole, and then, if you can see, you just follow this, keep lowering, and then on the end right here, which is this part, you want to kind of pull it out and place it in. So yeah, let me do that one more time so you can see that, because I found it easier putting it by hand than using this tool though. But yeah, depends who is it working on it. So you put this end in there, as you can see, put one side in, which is that part right there, put it in, just do it like that, keep stretching, and then this part right here, pull it in, there it is. Simple, easy. Or like I said, you can use one of these, which I haven't used that much. It's for me, it's easier this way. But anyway, that's a video that I wanted to make today, guys. How to install them. Talk about this cheap, inexpensive tool. And yeah, just quick video about that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.